Hello, this is the first instalment of the Sabbatical President's video blog. My name is Declan Maguire, your Sabbatical President for the Students' Union, and my base of operations is Leamington Spa College. So now let's take a quick flashback to what the Student Union has done for you so far this year. Wow, the Student Union so far this year has done so much. But just to stress the importance of Student Parliament, the student body has voted on more involvement in teaching and learning, preparing the students for more for the workforce than just university, and also the direction of the Student Union. Now, following Student Parliament, the student body has voted for student-led societies and clubs. This is the first year that Warwickshire College Student Union has ever had this. We've had interest in law societies, music societies, even arboriculture and floristry, which is the first one in the UK, and many more different societies. Now I'll just take this moment to introduce our overall Vice President.
Thank you, Declan. My name is Macaulay Hemming and I'm your new overall VP. I currently study over at Trident, but now I'm able to help everyone all over each campus, even further than the Student Union, and within this role I'm also student governor, attending board meetings with the President.